Can you go find him? Hannah, bring Mommy your pig. Hannah, go show Mommy your pig. Where's your piggy? Pig, oink, 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 oink. Go get the pig for Mommy. Go get the pig. Can you find him? Find Mommy the pig. Where's your pig? Can you get him out? Show Mommy. Can you take him out? Show Mommy the pig. Piggy! Good job. Can you clap? Say yay! Good girl.